What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Grab a pen and jot this down. Today we're going to talk quickly about core CPI inflation rate. I think this is no longer worthy of a discussion. It's worth just removing from your mind when you see it in the news headlines. Talk about what's happening in your either sector, your industry. Core inflation at this point is pretty much out of the control of any government parties. Nobody has any idea which way it's going anymore. The Federal Reserve will attempt to do its best. It looks like they'll slow down the interest rate hikes, but at this point they have no control of what the future will look like, and I don't even think it's an indicator anymore. I think the indicator for them for success is to have a low unemployment rate, which is the current state of the economy, which is kind of contradictory because people are kind of predicting a recession, but at the same time we got 3.4% or something of unemployment, so we got a very tight labor market. It's actually probably tough to get a job out there. So no longer worried about inflation. I'd be more worried about businesses and companies that you invest in that have a variable interest rate expense, and all of a sudden their rates are rising and their interest expense is going to double on the balance sheet. It's going to become very expensive for them to stay in business, and it's going to crush their profit margins coming into 2023. A lot of more changes are going to happen on that yield curve, and anybody that lives on it is going to have a tough time surviving going into the next several years when they have to either raise capital, increase their revenue, figure out other ways to turn over to increase return on equity.